Let's go.
Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making smothered chicken wings. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. You will need 1 pound of chicken wings, 22 ounces of cream of chicken soup, 10 ounces of cream of mushroom soup, 3 tablespoons of canola oil, 1/2 cup of onion, 3 cloves of garlic, 1 stalk of celery, 1/2 tablespoon of parsley flakes, 1/2 tablespoon of thyme, 1/2 tablespoon of Cajun seasoning, 1/4 cup of chicken broth, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1/2 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. In a small bowl, add your garlic powder, salt, and onion powder. Now add the Cajun seasoning, parsley flakes, and thyme. Add your black pepper and paprika, then mix until well combined. In a large bowl, combine your cream of chicken and cream of mushroom soup. Season with half your seasoning mixture, then add the chicken broth, then mix until well combined. Drizzle the chicken wings with 2 tablespoons of canola oil, then mix until well coated. Now season with the remaining seasoned mixture and mix until well coated. Using medium heat, bring your pan to temperature, then brown your wings. Remove the wings from the pan and set them aside until later. Add the remaining 1 tablespoon of canola oil to your pan. Then add the onion, celery, and garlic. Sauté your vegetables for 2 minutes. Return your chicken to the pan, then add your soup mixture. If you like this recipe, then you can find more in my cookbook, The Best of Soul Food Cooking. See the description below to order yours today. Cover your pan using an oven-safe lid or foil, then transfer it to the preheated oven and allow it to cook for 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, remove your lid and continue to cook for an additional 45 minutes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.